Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about CSS multiple columns. So in CSS we can use the multi-column layout and we can display the text using multiple columns just like any newspaper. Like an example, we have one div element and inside we have some bunch of demo text. Now you can see all of those text are showing in just one column. Now to create multiple columns like any newspaper, then we can use the multi-column layout. So inside the style tag we are going to select our div container and then we are going to use the CSS column count property. So here we can specify the number of columns the div element should be divided into. Like an example, we can use 2. So now you can see the paragraph is divided into 2 columns. And also we have the column gap property. So the column gap property specifies the gap between multiple columns. So we can use the column gap of 30 pixels. So now there is the gap of 30 pixels between those 2 columns. And also we have the column rule property. So the column rule property will specify the rule in between those 2 columns. So we can create the column rule of 1 pixel solid red. And also we have the column span property. So the column span property specifies how many columns an element should span across. Like an example, suppose we have one heading of h2 like my heading. So you can see the heading is just over the column 1. So if we wanted the heading to span across multiple columns, then we can use the column span property. So inside the style tag we can select the h2 element and then we can use the column span property, and here we can use all, and also we can use text align center. So now you can see our heading is spanning across multiple columns because of the column span property. And also we have the column width property. The column width property specifies the width of multiple columns. So this is the way we can use the CSS multi-column property and we can display our text using multiple columns. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.